You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind that it's always.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. As you can see, I'm in this fit professional attire. I just came from a job interview, but I'm gonna get out of these clothes, get into something comfortable, get something to eat, and then I'm gonna start this maintenance routine. So we're just gonna have like a self-care day, and I'm definitely taking these braids out because my scalp itch. So first things first is I need to get food in my system, so I'm gonna go to Shake Shack and get me some food. Do you have the dragon fruit pomegranate lemonade right now?
Small or large?
Small.
Okay.
Now that's it.
2031 at the window.
Okay, thank you.
Get that drink for you?
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
No problem. You
Have a good day. We did it. We got it. Oh, about to cry. When you fulfill a craving, it just hit different. Like, I feel a release of endorphins, oxytocin, dopamine, nephrine, whatever that's called. Cheers to more life. Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Bless the hands that prepared this meal. Amen.
Even though it wasn't our reality in the home at the time, she was still speaking things into existence. My life. Hello? I'm speaking to somebody today who is shaping their belief off of their current circumstances.
So it's 45 minutes later. I've eaten and I kind of didn't think about how much food I ordered. I ate it and now I'm really sleepy, and I do feel like getting adequate amount of sleep is just as important as being productive. So I'm gonna go take a nap. I'm gonna go lay down, and then I'm gonna start on these eyebrows because this has been bugging me all week and they're just looking a little bit of a hot mess. Not a hot mess, but a lukewarm mess, you know what I mean? After that, I'm gonna take out these braids. Hopefully that doesn't take me a long time. It really shouldn't. And then I'm gonna wash my hair and my scalp's gonna feel so good. I'm gonna feel so clean. And then I'll probably end the night with a face mask. So anyway, I'll see you after my nap when I come back. Okay, look like a hot mess, but the braids are done. I've taken them out and now I'm about to pre-poo my hair. I'm so happy that my brows are finally done. They look good. I also just placed an order on Amazon for a derma roller with Moxidil or whatever for hair growth because the sparseness, not cute, but the shape is shaping, so we are happy about that. It's literally the next day because I stayed up to like 3 taking those braids out. So yeah, I'm about to pre-poo my hair. If I have time, I think I'm gonna journal a little bit. That'll conclude it, because the main thing I needed to get done was taking out these braids and shaping these brows, and I got to do that. So I feel fulfilled and accomplished. Also, I don't know if I've made this clear in any of my past videos. I don't think I have, but it's definitely something I've been thinking about. And I'm going to be stepping away from hair content. Not completely, I still want to do hair content, but just a little bit more and stepping more into like lifestyle, productivity, health and wellness, because I'm really vibing with that right now in this era of my life. Those type of content formats are the most that I consume regularly, and I'm definitely getting into more of like self-care and maintenance and upkeep and mental health and sustainability. And I'm still in love with hair and fashion, but I'm just trying to find a balance of it all, because I never intended for my channel to be completely like natural hair. Like, I didn't want to be a natural hair guru girly. I did back in like 2016. wanted to be where I am now back then. But I am grateful. But at this time of my life, it's not exactly what I want to do. I could do this while pre-pooing, so I should actually start doing that as I'm speaking. Thank you very much. We can multitask. So, yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. And also the other main reason, because like I said, it's not that I don't like making natural hair videos, but for one, it's very time consuming, which is okay. I mean, I've just found out that making these type of videos or vlogs is also time consuming, so it's kind of like pick your battle, you know. But for two, the reality is a lot of you guys subscribe to my channel, thankfully, and I am blessed. Subscribe to my channel because you want to learn how to grow your natural hair really long. Mind you, I'm not the best example, okay? I'm grateful that you chose me, okay? My hair's not even that long. Like, my hair is longer than average, but it's not that long. Like, the goals that I have, ridiculous, delusional. Like, I want my hair curly and shrunken up. In that type of state, I want it down to here, baby, okay? Big dreams, big goals. Anywho, because yeah, making constant natural hair videos actually restricts my hair from, not from growing, because your hair is growing all the time, every day, but it restricts the amount of hair I can retain because I'm always doing something to it, manipulating it, combing it, styling it for videos, like this and the third, doing sponsorships, which I'm also so grateful. Literally 16-year-old me is gassed at 26-year-old me, like, wow, we did it. We actually finally did it. But anyway, I'm just pivoting just a teeny bit because the biggest secret that I always tell you guys is that in order to grow your hair super long, you have to leave it alone. So like, if I'm making all these hair videos back to back, I am not retaining as much length as I would when I put it in a protective style and leave it alone for like 3 months at a time. Basically, all of that to say, I'm gonna be taking a bit of a break from natural hair videos. They're not going away completely. Don't worry about that. If you came solely for natural hair videos and you don't want to see anything else on this channel, I'm not gonna be mad if you unsubscribe. I'll definitely understand. But you as an individual person are irreplaceable, and I thank you so much for your time watching my videos and subscribing and believing in me. Somebody else would just sit in your seat, and that's completely fine. So yeah, I'll definitely understand, but I hope you stay because I really like you guys, and I'm really grateful and appreciative that somebody even want to watch me on the internet. Like, that's such an odd concept, but it's like our norm in society now. Like, anyway, 7K strong, finna be on 8. And it's crazy because this is not new. On my old channel, I don't know if I still have the banner up, but the banner has said hair, fashion, lifestyle. So to me, from my point of view, I'm not changing things completely. I'm doing what I've always wanted to do. Hair, fashion, and lifestyle. But maybe like from your perspective, since all the videos on my channel are about hair because those are the ones that perform the best, maybe it seems like a shocker that I'm starting to move in a different direction a bit. Don't worry, we're gonna be okay. We're gonna figure it out together. No problems, my baby. It get crazy, yeah. Okay, let me do this face mask. I'm using the AHA 30%, BHA 2% peeling solution from The Ordinary. I absolutely hate how this looks like blood. I really do. Like, that's the only thing I don't like about this. Also, I want to find a stronger chemical peel because I want it to peel off like the dead skin. So I might look for another one. I like this one, it's cool. I think it does the job, but I want something that I can peel off. Because it's called a chemical peel, but it doesn't actually like peel off. Okay, we're gonna let that sit for 9 minutes. and then I'm gonna rinse it off and my skin is gonna be feeling good. Okay, while I'm waiting for the timer to be up, I'm gonna journal a little bit. I had this notebook from actually like I think 2 years ago, and this one I dedicated specifically to scripting. Wow, yeah, the first page says 2021. That's crazy. Wow, that was 3 years ago. Yeah, I just kind of get my thoughts down and put on paper what I kind of want to happen within the next couple of months. But don't forget that writing down stuff, writing down your goals is only a quarter of the way there, maybe half. I feel like a quarter, because really, I feel like 1/4 is writing it down, right? Write a plan, write the vision, make it plain. 2 quarters, so half of it, is putting in action. The other quarter, the last quarter, aligned with putting in action, it gotta be the right action, in the right direction. Because you could do a whole bunch of stuff that's not getting you towards the direction you're trying to go, and it's actually going the other way, and you don't even know, or you don't even realize. So it's kind of like,
Now, I see that the media and PR is like meeting in their room, and I see a couple new entire time. I'm gonna talk to my therapist and tell her when I'm out of California, she can't do my therapy sessions.
oh yeah.
But honestly, yeah, I decided to meet. I don't know. It didn't make sense to me.
Oh man.
Well, I'm excited to see you try new things and see if it works or not. I know my podcast, another one.
I was gonna blow dry my hair, but now I'm looking at it and the curls are all nice and stuff. And now I'm like, maybe if I just wear it in a ponytail and call it a day. But I just know tomorrow I'm not gonna wanna deal with that. But it would be faster today if I just left it like this. But are we thinking about today or are we thinking about tomorrow? Should I leave it? Let me know. Oh, you can't even respond in real time. You know, it wouldn't be bad if I left it, I don't think. I was about to say, you did tell me that recently, so that was odd. I forgot about shrinkage. It's curly, but it's getting shorter. Wait, now I don't want to do it. So mad if I hate this. I hope this does not look childish. I will cry.
They don't taste a lot.
I know. Excuse me, ma'am. You say, okay, it's not bad. Okay. Period. I'll never style my hair. Period. Oh my gosh, I feel so much better. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for coming along with me to do a little bit of maintenance and self-care. I feel so much better than at the start of this video. So, and I also really like this hairstyle. I didn't think I would like it like that, but I'm kind of vibing with it. If you guys like this video and you want more of this type of content, please let me know in the comments down below. If you already have not subscribed to the channel, like this video, push the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, I'm gonna see you guys real soon. Bye.
You finished?
Mm-hmm.
That was awesome.
Trials and tribulations. Child. She got me